Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Firehouse Technology Arc 5 Anti-Collision Strobe Light. In the box, you get your strobe light, a USB-C charging cable, a 3M Velcro pad to attach to your drone, a double-sided instruction card. Alright, so on the box, it says that this light is 1,000 lumens, has a 4 statute mile range. It is waterproof, case-sealed, IP67 rated. It has a 4.5 hour runtime. Now there are multiple models of this available. Mine is only going to be in the white color. If you get any other color than white, it will cost you more money. Okay, so to turn on the strobe light, push down on the power button and hold it for a few seconds. Now we're in strobe mode. Tap the power button, flash mode, tap the button again, strobe and flash mode. Tap the button, you have a constant light. Tap the button again, back to strobe mode. To turn off this device, hold down on the power button again, and it is off. Now I'm going to put this device on the drone and test it. Alright, so this is how I'm going to do the range test. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my new strobe lights, the Firehouse Arc 5, and I'm going to put them in my backyard and turn them on. Now I live in a very dark area, so they should really stand out. I will then drive about 2.5 miles away. Then I will attach my old set of strobe lights, the V-Fly ones, to the drone, take off to an altitude of about 350 feet. I will point the camera towards the direction of my neighborhood. If I can see strobe light flashing from the air, then I will know that these new strobe lights meet the FAA requirements for visibility at night. Alright, so now I'm going to do a range test on the strobe light. And off it goes. Okay, if you look towards the circle, you can see the strobe light flashing from my backyard while I'm 2.5 miles away. And there it is in the sky. It is currently sitting about 1,000 feet away from me.